So what we're doing now is I've got to shut the trailer. I've got to close it up because it's extended, as we can see here. So all I have to do is make sure there are no obstructions at the front wheels, the back wheels, anywhere near the truck. So it all looks clean. It's quite a big trailer, decent size. The length is not fully extended, but when I extend the trailer it will be probably 26 meters. Be double length on a single trailer. Alright, so the truck looks good. Things first, alright, I've done the pre-checks obviously. Just cut the video a bit short. There's this little bugger. It's a near switch. Alright, turn the vane up. That will unlock the flap seat. What it does, it's got 2 pins underneath that locks the trailer into place. You go and slide right in and lock the trailer in place according to how extended I want it to do. So what I've got to do now is get on the truck. Yeah. There. And the bloody music off a bit so we can hear each other what we're doing. Alright, system's alright, done, yep. Right, I got the handbrake. Already selected the gear I want. That's reverse. Trailer handbrake on. Yeah, fuck, good luck doing it with 2 hands. But I got to reverse back. That's the key thing. Doing it back, reversing back, reversing back, reversing back, then reversing back till I hear the boom. Trailer will slide. Go close up. That's it. That's what we wanted to hear. Parking brake on. Put it in neutral. Keep it there. Let's get off the truck. It's quite funny. Once you get used to it, not a problem, not an issue. Alright, now let's see if this pin is going to slide in. Looks like it's alright. It's pretty dead straight, the gap. Yeah. Alright, I haven't done many videos, so I don't know what it's going to be like, but regardless. Bloody fucking phone. It's going funny. Alright. Yep. Looks like it has slid in all the way. Let's go check the other side as well. Very important. Mercedes-Benz, not a bad truck, this one. Once you get used to it, trailer's amazing. The trailer is amazing, literally. Alright, where's the other pin? The other pin. Look at that. Perfect. Well, ladies and gentlemen, that was it. That's how to close an extended trailer. Pretty simple. Thank you for watching. Have a good one.